Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove all addresses inside your art browser. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. And why I'm saying all addresses is basically this. Let's say you're coming from a previous browser, whether that may be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, whichever browser that you may have, right? And you import all of your data into the art browser and you still have some of those old addresses stored and you would like to get rid of them so that you can add brand new address. I'm going to show you how to find and remove those email addresses. So once you're inside the Arc browser, go ahead and click the Arc logo on the uppermost left hand side and you want to click on settings. From here, select the profile in question. This is basically the profile that you're using, or if you have multiple profiles, you want to go ahead and select the correct one. So once you do that, you'll be able to find many options here at the bottom. You want to click on privacy and security. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on autofill in passwords on the uppermost left hand side. Now go ahead and click addresses and more. And from here, you will be able to find those addresses here. As I said, if you're importing from a previous browser, most likely you'll have those addresses stored here. And of course, you'd like to add new address, you can click the add button, fill in your details, click save, and that address will be stored here. So let's say this is the address that I have and it's old and I want to remove it. Simply click the three dots on the right hand side and you'll have the option to either edit it and change the details here, or you can simply go ahead and click delete, then delete again to completely remove that old address. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.